Hello, good evening everybody. This side Khushi from Lexus and Company. So today in this video we will discuss the most important topic, which is design registration. So today we will understand that how the design has been how the design registered. So first of all we need to understand that this is a type of IP, which is intellectual property. This is not a kind of another concept. This is a type of intellectual property. So like I have told you that this is a this is a type of intellectual property under which newly created design applied to an article. सो इसकी अगर हम डेफिनेशन देखें तो इसकी डेफिनेशन दे रखी है अंडर सेक्शन 2 क्लॉज टी विच इज़ डिज़ाइन एक्ट 2001. So now we will understand that what can be registered as a design. Firstly, which is shape, pattern, configuration, composition of ornament of line or colors like 2D 3D dimension kind of, these kind of all the things can be registered as a design. For example, as we know that Google, so Google has also done the process of design, so that's why it has a specific color which other cannot be copied. Okay, so for essential requirement for design, firstly this should be original and new. If you want to register something, that thing should be original and new. Okay, and the second thing is should not comprise or contain scandalous or obscene matter, like which is the logo or what is shape pattern you are giving for the registration. It should not be like against the public morality, and so this should be comes under the public order and the morality. Okay, because this is a society in which we have to live. So if you are doing anything and this is representative to the society, so we need to keep in mind while registering or like patent or something, whatever we are doing, that we need to understand the concept of morality and the public order. So now we will understand that what is the eligibility criteria to register something or some symbol which is kind of pattern, shape, these all the things. So eligibility is any person or any legal representative. Anyone can come with their concept of design, shape, and they can register their logo or anything. सो द पर्सन इंक्लूड, लाइक इसमें जो मैंने आपसे कहा कि पर्सन ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स अ फर्म, पार्टनरशिप और इज देयर ए स्मॉल एंटिटी. The person word includes everything here. Okay, in case of NRI, if is someone NRI, so his agent will do the registration proceeding, all the things which is related to the design. His agent will represent that. Now the documents, like documents क्या क्या लगेंगे इसके अंदर. सो इसके अंदर आप डॉक्यूमेंट देखेंगे तो डॉक्यूमेंट में सर्टिफाइड कॉपी ऑफ ओरिजिनल, जो ओरिजिनल आपका जो डिज़ाइन है रजिस्टर्ड है उसकी सर्टिफाइड कॉपी लगेगी, एक उसका एफिडेविट लगेगा, डिक्लेरेशन लगेगा कि आप ये जो रजिस्टर करवा रहे हैं ये मतलब आपका ही है और आप ही के नाम पे, विच इज़ ट्रू एंड न्यू. ओके, एंड अदर पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट काइंड ऑफ आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, वट जो पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट जो लगते हैं हर किसी चीज़ में, वो सारी चीज़ें आपकी लगेंगी. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द वैलिडिटी ऑफ इट. इसकी वैलिडिटी कितनी होती है? इसकी वैलिडिटी होती है 10 ईयर, 10 ईयर, विच कैन बी एक्सटेंड टू 5 ईयर. लाइक आफ्टर 10 ईयर, मान लीजिए मैंने कभी अगर इस पेन के किसी शेप का मैंने आपको करवा दिया है डिज़ाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन. ओके, सो अब 10 साल तक तो ये मेरे उस पर ही रहेगा, क्योंकि मैं इससे कमा सकती हूँ. अगर कोई इसको कॉपी करना चाहता है, ही हैज़ टू टेक द परमिशन फ्रॉम मी. बट आफ्टर 10 ईयर अगर मैं इसको रिन्यू नहीं कराती उसके डिज़ाइन को, उसके शेप को, तो क्या है, इसको कोई भी कॉपी कर सकता है. सो दिस इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डिज़ाइन. सो प्लीज keep in your mind that it can be extended for the 5 year. Okay, so now this is the end of this video. In the next video we will discuss one person company, so please watch that video also. And if there is anything which you don't understand by me or something which you didn't get, please let me know in the comment, and please also ask many questions so that I can connect to you. Okay, thanks for watching this video.